Hey everyone, it's Maggie. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to walk you through how to press all of our Supacolor transfers. Kicking it off first with our most popular wearables. I have my garment here and my wearables transfer, and we're going to press this at 320 for 15 seconds, peel immediately. One thing you want to do sometimes is pre-press to get some moisture out of your garment. So I'm going to do that now, and I'm also going to be testing my pressure. All right, that actually feels okay on pressure. I'm going to press it one more time just for pre-pressing. Peel immediately, one of the most important parts. Next up is our blocker. With this tank top, being it's a razorback, I'm gonna thread it through my heat press, so that way that is not in the way of me pressing. I'm gonna test my pressure once again to make sure that's locked in. That feels okay. Upside down and backwards. So I'm gonna press my blocker at 290 for 10 seconds, peeling immediately. Similar to our blocker transfer is our soft shell. It's perfect for any of those jackets that have that soft shell exterior. It's gonna be pressed very similar to the blocker. Once again, testing my pressure, but also I'm gonna get a little bit of these wrinkles out. We're gonna press it at 290 for 10 seconds, peeling immediately. As I'm lining this up, I use my hands a lot. We have handy dandy rulers too, but I kind of take my fingers. Luckily there's two seams kind of centering this in the back for me. But then something else I want to account for is the hood. So what I kind of do is I flatten it out, because that's kind of how it would lay on you, and kind of see where it lies. So I could go a little lower if I want, but just so that hood doesn't completely cover my design when someone's wearing it. Up next is probably one of our most versatile. It's our promotional transfer. It's perfect for different kinds of bags or things that you're not gonna launder. This one's a weird one. I might have to use a pillow, but we'll see how it fits on here. Actually, I think that might work. Okay, so I'm pressing my promotional at 320 for 15 seconds, peeling immediately. Again, checking my pressure first. Last but certainly not least is our headwear transfer. It's perfect for all different kinds of hats. Panels, seams, you name it, it's gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna press it at 290 for 10 seconds. One thing with hats that you do have to get used to is making sure you have the adequate pressure for it. So I'm gonna mess around with that a little bit. All right, take it off, grand reveal. Be on the lookout for more Supacolor content. Make sure you are subscribed to our channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment while you're here. And I'll see you guys next time.